the Piper.
It's one of those that like, well, I guess I'll let you listen to it.
We turn it down.
Shout out to FEIS app again.
Yeah.
It's fine.
It just feels like I'm like walking down the road.
Very casual.
It's very casual. At this point, I mean, unless we listen to 76 and it's like amazing. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
The set part is nice. I've definitely heard this one before. This is a popular one. Yeah.
Even more so when you slow it down to 76, I'd say of the hornpipe sets that can go drop down to 76. Some you don't really want to do that. 76, I always think the Piper 76 sounds really nice.
Okay.
You want to just like da 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 da.
Yeah, I really liked it.
It's clean.
I would put it bottom of B, top of C.
Gives me a lot of storyteller vibes. I would put it ahead of Eagle Harbor. What do you think?
I mean, the 76 is like a different song.
I also have done a Piper 76 and can say it is.
So like if we're going by 76, I would put it even above Storyteller.
Ooh.
But I didn't really like it at 108.
It's the full set, so it's both of its versions. And I think that's a great point to make, that because we're taking, you know, 108s and the 76s together, I had to put it in the middle. I think it doesn't beat Storyteller for that reason. Yeah.